Hello friends, myself and you're watching Technical Home.
Today we are going to see all the specifications of Mi 10T and 10T Pro. The leak specifications of Mi 10T are Snapdragon 865, 144Hz fast refresh rate, LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 3.1, 33-watt fast charging, 5000 mAh battery. The leak specifications of Mi 10T Pro are 108 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 865, LPDDR5X RAM, 33-watt fast charging, 5000 mAh battery. This is the design of Mi 10T. This is the design of Mi 10T Pro. The expected launch date of Mi 10T and T Pro will be in the mid of the October. Now let's see the expected price of Mi 10T. Mi 10T should price between 45 to 50,000. Now let's see the expected price of Mi 10T Pro. The Mi 10T Pro should be priced between 50 to 55,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.